Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Spatie Media Library. In this tutorial, I am going to cover basic installations, configuration and basic use of the Spatie Media Library. Spatie Media Library provide a simple way to upload files, manage your media library and easy to install and easy to manage everything in Laravel application. Spatie Media Library is a very great package for Laravel. Here is official documentation of Spatie Media Library. You can use Media Library in Laravel 5.6 and up. And here is a step of installations, how to install into the Laravel, and here is a official repo of the package Laravel Media Library. So let's install this package into this application. I created this application into the last tutorial of the file upload with image intervention. So let's log in first. So here is post module and I'm going to upload image, but right now image intervention is implemented and I'm going to replace it Spatie Media Library. So let's stop the server first and let's install this media library. Composer requires Spatie Laravel Media Library and fire this command. You can see here the composer dependency installed successfully and this package will automatically register the service provider, so no need to register it. And one more thing is Spatie Media Library provide a default migration and it's really helpful to us and save our time to create a migration for the table. Just we need to fire one command and migration generated quickly. So let's fire this command for generate the migration. Let's clear the terminal and fire this command for generate a migration. And you can see here media tables migration generated. Let's open the editor and check into the migration directory and newly generated migration. All the required fields already added into the migration. Let's run the migrate php artisan migrate. So migration runs successfully. Let's take next step. This step we did. Publish the config file is optional. If you want to change anything, then you need to publish the config file. So let's publish it and explain the config file. Media library.php file is generated into the config directory and you can see here all the configuration are there into this config file and you can set based on your requirements. Let's explain some parameters. Disk name you can set here, which is declared into the file system. Here is a basic default 3 disk defined as 3 public and local, so you can specify it here. Next is max file size. You can set here the size of the maximum file which you can upload. and queue name is default empty, and you can set it based on your requirement. And here is a media model which is by default by the Spatie Media Library. If you create the custom, then you need to specify the path of media and your custom model. If you use disk S3 and store your files on S3, then you need to set AWS bucket into the environment file. So domain full URL prepared here, and other more lots of the configuration and parameter are there here, and you can change it based on your requirement. So this is the config file and you can configure it. So now basic installation is done. Let's take next step. Here is a next step, preparing your model. I want to use this Spatie Media Library into this model of the post, so I need to add hash media trait and need to implement hash media. So let's configure the post model into the editor. Let's open the post model and implement hash media and specify here hash media trait, and do not forget to add use statement, otherwise you will get the error. So now post model is ready for use. So basic thing is done with the model. Now next stuff is how to upload the media and file using this Spatie Media Library. So example given here, need to create one object of the model. For example, I want to add file into the post, so I need to create post object and then call this method add media. This add media method into the hash media trait method available into hash media traits. So using post object instance and call this traits method add media and to media collection. So let's implement this example into the with post. Here is a post controller and here is a post repository. This code I have written in the last file upload tutorial with image intervention. So let's remove this thing and let's create here post instance, and here we need to call add media method and need to specify file here and specify to media collection. Right now to media collection is empty because we are not creating any collection. Spatie Media Library provide a very good feature, so you can create the any collection of the file and you need to specify here collection name, but right now just I going to upload image without collection. One more thing is I need to create one directory into the public folder. So let's create first uploads, and I want to store this uploaded file into this uploads directory, but I need to change the public disk. I need to specify here public path, and need to specify here uploads. Also need to change here uploads. So now media library used public disk, and now image store into the public directory. So let's start server again, php addition serve, and let's refresh, and this is first post, and let's select the image and save it. Post created successfully. Let's open editor, and you can see here now shopping.png uploaded here, and the media directory structure, it's create one directory before this image. The media library has a structure like create a directory first with the ID of the image, and then upload image inside the directory of ID. This is the ID of media library table. So let me show you into the database, and you can see here all the fields stored into the table: name, file name, type of the image, size of the image, and disk, and order of the column, and model ID. And this table is polymorphic, so you can use this table into the more than one model. So let's display this image properly. Right now this image is corrupted and not display properly, so we need to access the image using way of the Spatie Media Library, and you can see here how to access. Here is some example given. You can access using the object of the model, and you can access the first media URL. So let's open the table of the post. You can see here in the previous tutorial we have one column image URL, but right now we are using Spatie, so we need to call this get first media URL function using the instance of the post. So let's check and refresh. Now image display properly. So you can easily integrate the Spatie Media Library and you can use it. Feel free to ask any question and give your feedback into the comment box. Please like and share a video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.